is the Get Started video for all of the SINGER M3200 series sewing machines. In this video, we'll begin with a quick overview of the machine and its main parts. Then we'll show you how to wind and insert a bobbin and how to thread the top of the machine. This will be followed by selecting stitches, sewing a buttonhole, changing presser feet, and changing needles. For more information about your machine, a full instruction manual is available on the SINGER website to view or download anytime. So now let's get started. Before we thread the machine, let's take a look at some of the main parts of the machine. Over here is where you plug the machine in, and here's a switch to turn the machine on. This is your hand wheel, and it's used to manually move the needle up and down. You want to make sure that you always turn the hand wheel toward you. Here you have a bobbin winding spindle and bobbin winding stopper, and we'll talk more about these when we get ready to wind the bobbin. This is your stitch length dial, and you use this to sew your stitches shorter or longer. Here's your carry handle, your spool pin. This is your stitch width dial, and this makes your stitches narrower or wider. In straight stitch, it's also used to adjust your needle position. This is your thread tension dial. Back here you have a thread guide. Here's another thread guide. And this is a bobbin winding tension disc. This is your reverse lever, your thread take-up lever. Over here is the thread cutter. And here is your stitch selector dial. And you use this to choose the stitch you want to sew. This is a thread guide just above the needle here, and the needle itself. This is your needle clamp screw and needle clamp, and they actually help hold the needle in place. This is your presser foot holder, and this back here is your presser foot lifter, and this is used to raise and lower your presser foot. It actually has an extra high setting for when you want to sew extra thick fabrics. And this lever is how you engage your built-in needle threader, and we'll show you that when we thread the machine. This is your removable storage compartment, and when you have this on the machine, it gives you a level surface for sewing. But you can slide it off, giving you access to the free arm when you want to do things like hem trousers or sew sleeve cuffs. There's a door at the front that opens, and it gives you access to the bobbin area, and we'll talk more about that when we wind a bobbin. Your removable storage compartment has a door in the back, and when you open it, you have access to a storage area where you can keep all the accessories that came with your machine. They're handy and at your fingertips anytime you need them. Then just slide the removable storage compartment back onto the machine. For more information about your machine and its included accessories, a full instruction manual is available on the SINGER website to view or download anytime.